And salutations, YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a unboxing, and if you guys love these kinds of videos, thrift vlogs, vlogs in general, cooking, home decor, you guys are in the right spot. I do post videos every single day. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures, where I actually am having a sale. So if you guys are watching this on or before Mother's Day of 2020, I am offering 25% off everything in the shop, so go check it out because I have a lot of really great stuff up there. But without further ado, let's hop into this haul because unboxing, because I am really excited for this this item. And let me just preface it really quickly. So we have been in quarantine for quite some time already, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a bit, you guys know how much I love thrifting, going out, the thrill of the hunt. It's just so much fun, so exciting, and I just have been kind of like missing it immensely. And so, to kind of like alleviate all of that, I have been scouring the internet to look for really great deals on stuff that, I don't know, like, it's just really fun to see what kind of deals you can get out there, especially for things that you've been wanting for a while. And yeah, and if you guys want to see how I did that, I'm gonna link that video for you guys. But you know what, it's just a lot of persistence and a lot of just checking and just a lot of like scouring the World Wide Web. Do people call it that anymore? Anyway, what I have is actually in this teensy weensy little envelope right here, and I am so excited for this. I never really knew I needed this item, but I don't know. We'll see how it is. It might be, I don't know. I might actually put it up in the shop. I might re-gift it to someone else, but I got an amazing deal on this item, and I'll tell you more about it once I open it. But right now, let's get the exciting part over with so I can tell you more about this item. But okay. Here, oh my gosh, it is so cool. Okay, so here it is. This is an Hermes watch. This is black alligator leather. And then like the bottom, like the inside is just like a brown. It is so cool. Why do I love this part so much? I have been obsessed with the Hermes crest ever since I've seen it, because you know, my name is Hadrian. It starts with an H, and like the watch face is actually an H. So I thought that was really, really cool. There is scratching on it, but honestly, like, I'm not like too worried about it because this would have happened anyway, because I used to wear watches a lot back in the day, especially when I was a watch wearer for a large part of my life. Ever since I was a kid, I was like that 5-year-old with a watch. I had my Disney watches, my Mickey Mouse. I had a Lion King watch. It had Simba on it. I had Swatch. I think Swatch watches are still in. Like, they came in like different colors, different bands. I always had a watch. But I was just like horrible with my watches. Like, they would literally always break. And then like up until like even like high school, but then like, I don't know, like I just stopped wearing watches after that. And I don't know why. It was probably because I kept breaking them, and I was just like so frustrated that I was always breaking my watches. And then like I got a cell phone, and then I never really like needed really my watch to look at the time because I could just look at my phone. But this is so cool. I never thought I would own an Hermes watch. I don't even know if it's actually worth. What time is it? It's 3:23, so the time is off. I don't know if, okay, well, this is the time right now. I'll look at it again later and see if like if it needs like a battery replacement. But what's really cool is that this is an authentic Hermes watch. You can see that the little it has like little diamonds for the time. Like, it has little diamonds going all around. I believe it is palladium hardware as well, and I did look up this watch if anyone is interested in it, and I can let you know. Hold on, let me see. Here we go. Oh no, I I think I lost it. Oh, here it is. So this is the Hermes Hure, Heure. This is I believe this is the 26 millimeter. Oh, and it's stainless steel and alligator strap. Okay, this watch is currently still on sale. You can purchase it from Saks Fifth Avenue for the crazy price of $4,000.50. Now, knowing me, of course, I definitely would never spend that much on anything, let alone a watch. I think the most expensive thing I purchased as of late is probably my computer. But yeah, so okay, hold on to your horses for what I paid for this watch. I got this watch for $250. Isn't that crazy? Like, what a deal is that? Of course, once like the world kind of opens up again, I'm gonna see if I can kind of like, if I can bring it to like a jeweler or like a watch place and see if I can get like some of the scratches kind of like buffed out. Either way, it's not like the worst. I think this is a woman's watch, but I feel like most watches are pretty unisex anyway. So like I'm not like too like worried about the watch like looking crazy. Like it's just like a regular watch anyway. It just has like, I think it's kind of cool, but I don't know. We'll see how I feel. I'll probably get annoyed with it and like not even wear it and probably like give it to my mom or something. But I just thought this was such a cool watch. I couldn't pass up on the deal. And then Hermes, like come on. And I think also you can switch out the straps. I see like a little thing right here where you can switch it out, so that might be pretty cool. Again, I just do love the face of the watch because it is an H. And I do like the strap a lot as well. I feel like that's really, really cool. And I mean, diamonds are always really awesome as well. So I'm hoping that the watch actually still works. I think it just needs a battery change, if anything. But again, I'm also going to send this like photos of the watch to my friend to have it authenticated, though I am pretty certain that this is in fact authentic. But then again, as like with anything that you purchase online, when you find it secondhand, I always like to recommend like just to have a second opinion, just in case. Though, what a beautiful watch. I keep looking at the back whenever I show you guys. I'm like, oh my gosh, the crest is so cool. I am obsessed. I'm pretty excited over this. What do you guys think? Would you guys buy this watch for $250 if you saw it? What a deal, man. That is so cool. Even secondhand, this watch sells for a lot more than what I paid for it, so finding it at this price was so awesome. I was actually like going through Poshmark and then Mercari and eBay the other day, and I was just like looking at anything like Hermes, because ever since I got that Hermes wallet, I have just been jonesing for another Hermes piece at a great deal. And then I was like, you know what, I haven't looked at Hermes watches. I was like, what do they even look like? And then this one just popped up and I was like, I have to get this. It was almost like instantaneous no-brainer, because sometimes things like this will sell so quickly. And I just like did a quick like look through of the photos of it, and then I just pulled up some other images of authentic pieces on like websites and stuff, and just like kind of like compared everything, and to me it looked pretty good. And then I was buying this on a website where you can return it if it's not authentic. You just have to like you just have to like let them know like, hey, I got like this watch that I got isn't authentic, da da da. You just wait back to hear from them, and then you can ship it back. So yeah, so excited over this. This is like pretty cool for me. So again, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the watch? Do you guys hate it? Have you guys ever gotten like a good deal on Hermes watch? I don't know. Will this turn me into a watch person? Who knows? But for right now, I think I'm just gonna practice putting it on. I am pretty sure though that the watch is not does not have any battery in it at the moment, because I don't think I saw it hasn't moved since I opened it up and looked at the time on it. So I'll probably have to, I don't know. I wonder if I can just order a battery for this. Would that be too difficult? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome. Welcome to the Thrift Squad. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But till then, I bid you adieu. Bye!